Analytics Insight, your one-stop destination for all the latest and greatest in technology. I'm your host Akanksha, and today the Tech Bulletin is packed with some game-changing updates from AI-powered smart glasses to cross-platform gaming and a major AI launch by Apple. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. Meta's AI glasses, the future of wearables. Mark Zuckerberg has big plans for the future of AI-powered wearables. Meta has launched its AI-integrated smart glasses developed in partnership with Ray-Ban as a key part of its 2025 AI strategy. Double Orion, these glasses aim to revolutionize interactions, potentially replacing smartphones in the near future. If successful, this could mark a major shift in how we experience technology on a daily basis. So will smart glasses become the next big thing? Only time will tell. Nothing Phone 3a and 3a Pro, mid-range marvels coming to India. Nothing has officially confirmed the launch of Nothing Phone 3a and 3a Pro, the mid-range siblings of the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. Well, these devices promise a premium design, vibrant OLED displays and powerful Snapdragon chipsets, all at a competitive price for Indian customers. While the exact release date and pricing are still under wraps, fans can expect an exciting new addition to the smartphone market very soon. Forza Horizon 5 races to PlayStation 5, a game changer? In a groundbreaking move, Forza Horizon 5 is set to debut on Sony's PlayStation 5 this year. Yes, you heard it right, Microsoft's flagship racing game is expanding beyond Xbox, featuring full cross-play support. This signals a major shift in gaming, breaking down exclusivity walls and opening the door for a more unified gaming experience. The question is, will this trend continue with more Xbox titles making their way to PlayStation? Apple Intelligence set to transform iPhones in India. Apple CEO Tim Cook has confirmed that Apple Intelligence, the company's advanced AI-driven software, will launch in India by April 2025. This new AI feature will supercharge Siri, introduce smart writing assistants, and automate tasks across iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Integrated into iOS 18 and macOS 15, Apple Intelligence promises to make Apple devices smarter than ever. So looks like AI-powered Apple gadgets are just around the corner. Samsung defies a chip demand slump with 20% profit growth. Despite a global dip in semiconductor demand, Samsung Electronics has reported a remarkable 20% increase in Q4. The company credits its success to strong sales of the Galaxy S24 series and premium OLED TVs. Moving forward, Samsung plans to double down on AI-driven chip technology to maintain its competitive edge in 2025. AI seems to be the future and Samsung is all in. President Murmu hails India's AI mission. India's President Draupadi Murmu has praised the government's AI mission, calling it a major driver of economic growth and digital transformation. The initiative aims to strengthen AI adoption across industries and position India as a global leader in artificial intelligence. With AI playing a key role in shaping the future, India is making strategic moves to stay ahead in the race. Google's Ask For Me AI, your personal assistant for business calls. Google has unveiled an innovation AI feature called Ask For Me, designed to handle business calls on your behalf. From booking reservations to managing services inquiries, this AI-powered assistant promises to make interactions effortless and seamless. If widely adopted, this could change the way we communicate with businesses forever. Imagine never having to wait on hold again. And that wraps up our today's Top Tech News. Subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an update from us and stay ahead in the game of technology.